Hi there, my name is Brent Duick, president of Schnell Industries, and I've been here with the company for just over 20 years. We started as a family business back in '94 in Plum Coulee. While our roots were local and farmer based, and we really appreciate that history piece, it was very important to our growth to pursue the products that we had developed that needed to properly hit those markets. We needed to switch to a more factory role instead of interjecting all the small projects. So we now sell product North America wide. We sell to a few countries overseas. We're expanding that. That's probably our biggest future is still overseas. We have a conveyor line. We have a turf line that does turf equipment, as well as we have some agricultural products of our own that we sell. That is roughly half of our business. The other half of our business is actually being what we would call an OEM partner. So other manufacturers that build equipment, and we partner with them and we build stuff for them, start to finish, or just sections of. Having that has been really good for our company. Having our own product lines as well as these partners that we work with, we learn so much from them, and also we can apply some of the learned knowledge to our own stuff and grow simultaneously with both of them. I would attribute a lot of Schnell's growth to our people and the community. We have a really solid workforce, very dedicated, hard-working folk around here. Schnell continues to build the partnerships with other companies out there, working with other large OEMs, some pretty big names that we're working with currently that we're working deals out with and building trust with, and it's always a slow start, but there's so much potential out there where we can go. Our own product lines are spread over a wide spectrum of sectors, and so that gives us the ability to weather some of the tough times. We're not 100% ag. Ag is down right now. If we were 100% ag, we would be in a bad place, but we're not. And so those are the kind of things that help us grow and sustain and keep pushing out there. I want to thank the Winkler Chamber for the recognition and the award. It means a lot to our team, and we want to do Winkler proud.